Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today is a new tutorial. Apologies that I've been a bit slow on uploading. It's been Bank Holiday Monday, things have been mad busy, public transport is all over the place, the UK can't handle hot weather, like it's just been shambles. And then after this week it will go back to normal, probably until the next bank holiday when the UK has a meltdown again. I really wanted to do a drugstore look because I feel like I kind of just reach for the same palettes over and over again, and I do have a few drugstore ones, so I thought, oh, I'm gonna do a drugstore one. So yeah, this is today's look. It's like a full cut crease. It's almost like backwards because it's light on the outside and like darker on the inside. If you would like to know how I did this look and you know what products I used, etc, etc, then please keep on watching. And if you do enjoy the video, please let me know down below. Give the video a like and please do subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. And without further ado, we will get into the video. The look I'm going to do today is based on the Makeup Revolution palette. This is the Reloaded Iconic division. Ooh, and it just looks like this. It is like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, but like a dupe for it, and this was literally like £6, £5, something like that. It was not very much at all. So yeah, it's ideal. But yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So the first shade I went in with was this dark deep green shade, and I am just going to start packing that onto my lid and through the crease as like our first colour. And as you can see, I'm taking it way above my crease. I just like to do my looks like this because I just like to blow them out and like make them look really dramatic. But obviously this look can be recreated not as blown out. Just don't take it further than your natural crease and it'll just be a little bit more natural. Not natural, but you know, less sort of dramatic, shall we say. I'm then going to take a mixture of this top light green shade and then also a little bit of the yellow down here. I hope this is visible on camera, and I'm going to use those two shades just to blend out this darker green. I want to keep this look like fairly green. I know it sounds a bit weird, but I don't want to go into like other shades really, just to show that like you can do different looks without needing like a ton of different colours. Because, you know, you could just change up these colours and use like blues, purples, browns, whatever. And just use different shades to get the finished look. But yeah, I'm just adding that yellow just to warm it up a little bit. But to be honest, it's not even that visible, so it's not that big of a deal. I'm then going to take this dark green in the palette and use this to deepen up the crease. I am going to go back in with this shade as well to further deepen it up, but just for now we're just going to take a little bit. And then I'm going to take the NYX eyeshadow base. This is in the shade White, and I'm going to use this to cut out the crease like I've done on this eye. And as usual, I am just going to take it above the crease like I always do. I don't have a ton of lid space. This is why I do this. My eyes are slightly hooded, but this is just how I think it looks the best. And then just on the outer triangle bit again, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Flawless 3 Resurrection palette, and I'm going to go into the white shade in the palette, which is this one here, and I'm going to use that to set down the base just on the outer corner. I'm then going to go back into that dark green colour, and we're just going to further deepen up the crease just around that cut area. And then just on that inner part that we cut, if that makes sense. Not really. I'm going to go into this lighter green shade, and like I've done on this side, I'm just going to put it like halfway across the lid. So it's almost like a backwards cut crease, if that makes sense. I'm then going to take the Essence eyeliner pen. This is in the colour, do you have a colour? 04 Young and Free, which is like this lemony yellow shade. And I'm just going to use this to, what should we call it? Like a line the cut crease. I'm then going to take the Maybelline New York Master Precise Liquid Liner and just draw a small line on the top. This is just to cover the lash band of the lashes I'm about to put on. And then I'm just going to take this black shade. This is in the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favours the Brave palette, and I'm just going to use that to smoke out that eyeliner just a little bit because it's looking a little bit too harsh. I'm then going to take the TATTI lashes in the style TL37, and I'm just going to apply some glue to these and stick them on. And then while the glue is drying, I'm going to go back into that Fortune Favours the Brave palette, and I'm just going to take this white shimmer shade, and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. I'm then going to go into the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Blackbean, and I'm going to run this along my waterline, and I'm just going to smudge it out across that lower lash line. And I'm going to go into that black shade that we used to smudge the top liner out on that lower lash line as well. And then I'm going to go into the Reloaded palette that we first went in with, and I'm just going to kind of mix the greens together until it matches the top, because we used quite a bit, so I'm kind of just going to like wing it and just smoke it out so it looks nice and green on the bottom as well. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please do let me know down below. Let me know what you thought, let me know what you liked, whatever. And if you ever have any requests, that is where to put them. I always love reading comments because they do just make my day, so please do that if you feel like you want to. And please do subscribe as well, because it just means that you get told when I upload. So thank you once again from the bottom of my heart for watching, because I do really appreciate it. It helps me out, and you know, I am still a small channel, so you know, all help is very appreciated. And yeah, I will stop talking now. Thank you so much once again, and yeah, we'll see you in a few days. Thanks everyone, bye.